Hello guys, welcome to Citing channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you cite on ChatGPT. So at first, if you don't have the ChatGPT app, you can install it from Play Store. I'm just going to the ChatGPT app. Now in the ChatGPT app you can ask for any citation, just like I'm asking write about a molecular biology you can also ask for another thing, just like you can ask for write a citation theory of electricity. So guys, that's how you can cite on ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Citing channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.